Welcome to a Z to Z series, where every function takes you one step closer to spreadsheet mastery. Today's letter P. A food manufacturing company plans to produce 4,500 bottles of water in a single shift. But after material wastage, labor inefficiency, machine downtime, and yield loss, how many bottles actually make it off the line in sellable condition? Four different efficiency rates need to be multiplied together across 10 product lines. Product function does it in one formula. This function is the product function in Excel. This function multiplies all values in a range together and returns a single result. So we're working with a production efficiency costing sheet for an FMCG manufacturing company. So 10 product lines, each carrying 4 efficiency rates. So we'll be multiplying the 4 efficiency rates together to get our overall production efficiency for each product line. So to do that, we'll start with the first one here. Yeah, we use our product function, then select the range, which is from D3 to G3, then close the bracket. So drag it down. We have to format it as a percentage. So come here and then click percentage. So the next thing we want to calculate now is to know the effective output, the actual number of sellable units. And you can achieve this by multiplying overall efficiency rates here in column H with the planned production volume, which is in C column. You can use the product function here because you're not working with the range, unlike when we have it in overall efficiency. So just multiply that's C3 by this. So we have to format it to number because we're not dealing with percentage here. So come here and change it to number. Then drag it down across the rows. So the last thing we want to calculate here is the unit loss due to inefficiency. And to get this, we have to subtract effective units we already calculated here from the planned production volume in column C. So C3 minus this. Change it to number again. Reduce this in place. Then we'll drag it down across the entire rows. So wherever you need to multiply several values together across a range, efficiency rates, probability chains, compound adjustment factors, product function replaces a long chain of multiplication symbols with a single clean formula. If this was helpful, give it a like, share with someone or your team, and do not miss the next function in the Z8 series. See you in the next one.